This is a brand new 2013 BMW 3 Series. This car has an 8-speed automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine. Its top features include a navigation system, BMW Assist, Comfort Access, BMW Apps, a sunroof, heated seats, high-intensity headlights, a smartphone adapter, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, a sports suspension, traction control and stability control systems, run-flat tires, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, and the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.